Hey guys, just going to do a quick review on Genie. Over the last few days, it hasn't been working at all. Today is the day that I've just been able to log into the website. The website's been down, and I just want to show you guys what it's doing. So right here I'm in Get Seller Items Multiple. I'll go to my sellers real fast. And I'll just pick a seller, run selected. Now, generally right here, this bar, this progress bar, would have already started up and started processing as a percentage of items found or not found within your parameters. But it's all day, it's just been doing nothing. It'll stay frozen just like this, and then it will bump you out, and it'll go back to just a whatever the page is that shows the results. It just shows 0 results. I've messaged Mark about it. I've looked on several social network platforms, and everybody's complaining about it. He's not responding to anybody. About 3 or 4 days ago, when it first started happening, I sent him a message, and a couple of other people. One of my VAs sent him a message, and he still hasn't responded. There is over here in the bottom right hand corner, there's a little chat that you can start, and you can also send them a message right here. You can send messages, and I guess within 24 hours they're supposed to respond. I still haven't got a response, so I'll just continue to wait and see what happens. Here you can still see that we're waiting on the progress bar to do something. It still is not doing anything. And we're waiting. So guys, if you don't want to wait, go ahead and end this video now. I'm just gonna, well, there it went. Okay, deep scan results, and it goes to nothing. So this is what happens. That's it. Nothing. I've ran about 15-20 sellers earlier today, and it's still not working. So that's it.